Hello friends, in this video tutorial we discuss about the config implicit object of the servlet config. It is used to get the value of initialization parameter from the web.xml file and for each JSP page, and this implicit object is created by the web container. Let's see with practical. Here I am using the Eclipse as IDE. First I click on the file and then new, and then take a dynamic web project. A dialog box will be simply displayed here, and just I need here to write my project name, and I am simply giving my project name as config demo, and click on the next, and check the generate web.xml deployment descriptor for the XML file, and then click on the finish. Okay, my file is displayed under the project explorer, and this is my project, and I simply explore it, and just I right click on the web content. A pop-up menu will be displayed here, and I just click. It is taking little time. I just click on the new and take a JSP file, giving here the name of my JSP file as index.jsp, and press enter. My JSP file is open here, and simply I am using here a form tag and action attribute, giving here the welcome URL and press enter, and taking here a input type as a submit button, submit, and giving here the value equals to submit. Okay, close it and save it. Look here, I am using the form tag and giving here the action and welcome. This is the URL of my JSP file, and we set the URL of my JSP file into the XML file. First I need to create a welcome.jsp file, so I just right click web content, click on the new, and take a JSP file, and giving my JSP file name as welcome.jsp and press enter. My JSP file is created here, and I just using here the scriptlet tag and declare here a variable string name equal config. This is the implicit object dot get init parameter, and giving here my parameter name as dname, terminated with semicolon. Look here, I am declaring a variable name and using the implicit object config and calling the method get init parameter and passing here the parameter name as dname, and this parameter name we set into the web.xml file, so we discuss later. First I using an implicit object out and calling the print method and print the value of name and save it. So the value of initial parameter initialize into the are assigned into the name variable, and with the help of print method we print the value of name. Okay, so I explore the web content and web high enough and click on the web.xml, and simply I delete all these files. Okay, because I need here the welcome file as index.jsp. Press here enter, and using the servlet tag, and simply I write here servlet name. You can write your servlet name anything, so I just write here my servlet name as a welcome. And here you need JSP file name, and I write here my JSP file name as a welcome.jsp/welcome.jsp. and here I am using the init param tag for initialization parameter, and giving here my parameter name as a dname, and parameter value, giving here my parameter value as a com.mysql.jdpc.driver. Okay, look here, I am using the init param tag, and within this init param tag I am using another two param tag, param name and param value. And param name simply define the parameter name, and param value define the value of the param name. And I save it and just come out to the servlet tag, and here I am using the servlet mapping, and giving here the servlet name. My servlet name is, I write here welcome. URL pattern I am giving here the /welcome, and then save it. Okay, everything is clear. Here I am using the servlet name, that is the welcome, and URL pattern I am giving here the /welcome, and I save it. I just come into the index.jsp page. Here I am using the URL of my welcome.jsp page, and my URL is welcome, and user click on the submit button, then it redirect to welcome.jsp. Come to the welcome.jsp. Look here, I am using here the scriptlet tag, and declaring a variable string name, and implicit object config calling here, and call the method get init param with the help of config implicit object, giving here the initial parameter name dname, and com.mysql.jdbc.driver value assign into the name, and with the help of implicit object out calling the method print, and print the value of name onto the screen. And I save it and come to index.html and right click and run on server, click on the next and finish. My index.jsp will display it onto the screen with the help of browser, and a button displayed onto this page, and when you click on the button, the welcome.jsp print the value of initialization parameter dname. Look here, Tomcat started here, almost 100% completed, and it will display the index.jsp page onto the screen. It is taking little time, no problem. Tomcat started, server at localhost. Okay. My button is displayed here, and simply I refresh it and click on the submit. Look here, com.mysql.jdbc.driver, that is the value of initial parameter displayed onto the screen, and this you can look here, this is the com.mysql.jdbc.driver, this is the parameter value. Okay, thank you friends, please subscribe my channel and comment on my video and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.